Hi, I'm Christina. On this auspicious occasion of the Year of the Dragon, I extend my heartfelt Chinese New Year wishes to all of you. On behalf of the Sabah Tourism Ministry, I look forward to more tourists to visit Sabah in 2024 and experience the wonders of Phil Sabah, North Borneo. I cordially invite each and every one of you to join us in our Chinese New Year open house celebration on February 10th, 2024, the first day of Chinese New Year at the Sabah International Convention Center from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., hosted by the Sabah State Government. Gong Xi Fa Cai. Thank you.